do it with my pin.
Can you tell?
There's a sign that says no climbing the trees.
Well, there's no cameras out here.
Oh, well, there's no sign either. I was just kidding.
Mom, there's literally pools.
You probably get sap all over your pants if
I know
you.
there's pools of sap.
You're gonna get it all over your
There's
pants,
like pools like this high.
all over your clothes, all over your pants, and your hair, and your hands.
I
And
know,
your
I'm not gonna climb on it. It's just right here and like up there.
Oh, it's dripping.
Yeah, like where it's like, hold on.
Do it again.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
That's like how deep it is.
Wow.
It's really deep.
Can we take it home and make apple syrup?
Yeah.
Maple syrup.
They're both that deep. What's up? Look, this is how you walk.
Shh.
What's up? I'm worried about the fall when I walk like that.
Don't copy me.
Why do you sit here out with me? Come sit here. Come on.